How to recover if Instagram deleted your posts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted Instagram posts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your Instagram. And after you've opened it up, you can just head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Now, after you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now, after you're on settings and activity, you'll see how you use your Instagram section, and there you should find your activity section. Tap on your activity, and now you're on your activity. Scroll down, and there you should find an option that says recently deleted. Head over there, and there you should find your post. Now what you can do is you can easily recover it from here. So now you will see this option. Just tap on the three dots, and then you'll see the restore option. Tap on it and then restore that very post, and you're basically good to go. That is how you can recover your Instagram deleted posts. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.